Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we are going to review Oreva Ariana electric scooter. This one is a low speed electric scooter, so we do not require license and registration. These are the indicators, and this one is a round headlight, and this is the Oreva badging. It consists of 12-inch tubeless tires with telescopic suspension in the front, and this is the front storage place with a band, and this is the flat floorboard. It consists of dual shock absorbers at the rear, and this is the BLDC waterproof motor. As this scooter does not consist of license and registration, there is no number plate. You can see the external charging point. It can be charged in 6 to 7 hours. This is the lead acid battery model. It is also available with lithium ion battery. The lithium ion battery gets charged in 4 to 5 hours. This Oreva company has been on Indian roads since 12 years, and it is a Make in India electric scooter. This is the digital display, and this is the boost button. This one is the headlight on and off indicator and the horn switch. Now let's check the under seat storage. We have to open the seat from back itself. This is the pillion grab handle where you can even store some luggage. Now you can just notice that the seat opens automatically by just unlocking with the key. See, it has opened automatically, and there is a good storage when compared with the scooter. It consists of a USB charging point where you can charge your mobile phone or smartwatch. You can even store a battery for getting more range. The lead acid battery is not removable, so you have to charge with the external charging point, and the lithium ion battery can be removable and can be easily charged. This showroom is Rahul Electric Vehicle Showroom. The complete address is mentioned in the description as well. All the Oreva electric scooters are available at this showroom, and test drive facility is also available here, so please do check out. This is the LED headlight, and these are the indicators, and these are halogen bulbs used for the indicators. The other two Oreva electric scooter reviews are also available. You can please check the links in the description below. And this is the digital display where you can see the speed, kilometer, and the battery status. The battery status indicates in volts, and you can travel 60 to 70 kilometers in a single charge with this lead acid battery model, and you can even extend it up to 120 kilometers with the help of two batteries. The lead acid battery is a 48 volt 28Ah battery, and it has a warranty of 1 year, whereas the lithium ion battery has a warranty of 3 years. You can please contact the showroom for the customized range options. This one is the boost button in red color, by which the speed increases from 5 to 8 kmph, so you can overtake other vehicles. It can travel with a speed of 35 to 40 kmph, and the loading capacity is 150 kgs. And this one is a multifunctional key. You do not have separate key for handle and switching on the scooter. This one is a luggage hook, and you can see the flat floorboard. The lead acid battery is stored within the floorboard. This electric scooter is a good option for marketing people, for small business people who sell flowers, fruits, and food delivery persons. As it is electric, it is light for the pocket and its maintenance is also easy. It's also good for the environment as well. And this one is a lithium ion for the extended range version. You can store the battery under the seat. With this extra battery version, you can extract more range of 40 to 50 kilometers, by which the complete range becomes nearly 120 kilometers. This scooter also has decent build quality. The parts are more put together when compared to other scooters which I have driven. The cost of this electric scooter is 42,999 rupees, and this is how we can charge this scooter. This is the charger. You can plug this charger to the 5 ampere socket, and it also indicates the percentage as well. The charger has a warranty of 2 years and the motor and controller has a warranty of 3 years, and the beside mentioned are the cost for repair after the warranty period. Thanks for watching the complete video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.